Hello and welcome back, gorgeous souls. In this video, this is part 2. We are doing the registration for the Rakuten advertising. Find the link in the top of the video description box. Fill in your email, your name, and also your password. Fill it in twice, and then click on the big purple button that says register. Go to your email where it will say verify your account and click on the link in the email. Next, add where you are registering from and then click on the purple next button. You will have two choices. Are you an individual or are you part of a business? Next, it will ask what is your profile name. This helps advertisers find you, and note it is not the platform you use, but what your network and followers know you as. Next is the categories. It wants to know what business model your business falls into. And usually for individuals, it is content and media portfolios. If you are unsure of what to click, simply click on the purple circle with the question mark to find more information. Next, it will then ask you what is your primary channel. And it will go to your primary channel, and whatever bio that you have, it will pull up that information. And this is where the first video where we did the preparation for getting the information for the AI prompt using the EEAT algorithm. You will find the first video in the right-hand corner. In the meantime, this is the AI prompt. Instead of asking AI to write a sales pitch, use this prompt. The AI prompt, instead of asking AI to write a sales pitch, here is the prompt. Here are my core values. You use your own words. Mine are value, abundance, and genuine connection, rather than aggressive hustle culture tactics. Help me organize these into a professional 225 character description for my Rakuten publisher profile without adding any hype. This is mine. Conscious creator providing education and spiritual growth content via TikTok, YouTube, and Medium. Author of 6 books focused on value, abundance, and genuine connection. I prioritize authentic engagement over aggressive hustle culture tactics. And always remember the human touch. Always review and edit the AI output to ensure it matches your personal DNA vibrational frequency. Next, the company is going to want to know where are your social media outlets, and it integrates with YouTube, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, and TikTok, and Weibo. You will simply click on the ad and then integrate each social media outlet with the Rakuten advertising. Your next question is about your traffic. How many unique visitors you would have in a month and how many page views you will have in a month. You need to be honest and transparent because your social media platforms are integrating with the company itself. The next step is how are the advertisers going to find you? You need to choose the categories that you cover. The next step is your account and your tax information, in which I am going to go over very quickly. You would go into your account, you would fill out all of the personal information, and then you would go into the payment information. You would then fill out all your payment information, and you can also choose how you would like to get paid. You will see 3 hyperlinks in purple. Read all 3. You must read and accept the terms of the membership agreement and also understand the network policies. Your registration, you can click on Submit. Your dashboard will appear in front of you with a welcome message. And now I look forward to the next video in which I show you how you can look for advertisers and also send out your applications. Till then, have yourself a wonderful evening.